Now we're going to move on to the edit function. So I'm just going to pick the 4-bedroom homes. And first thing you'll notice is this top menu here. And it takes you to a slide out menu. The template design is just an entire design. It's just an entire list of designs for the web page. If you wanted to change this lead capture page to another template of a different page, you would click on this. It previews the ones that we have in our system, as you can see here, and you just select which one you prefer. With that being said, any of these lead capture pages that our concierge team members have created for you, I recommend not touching or editing them without at least reaching out to us and consulting with the support line first. We're constantly monitoring the data, so doing a full-scale edit might mess around with the results in our system. So it could cause an unexpected error in our internal reports, and nobody wants that. The website active is just that. All pages are automatically set up and active for you. If you wanted to deactivate them, all you would do is just unclick the box and hit save. I'm not going to actually do that in case this is being used. So now we're going to go back to the option menu and moving on to the website name function. The website name is obviously the name of the lead capture page. Yours will most likely be different named as the concierge team members customize each of them to your market areas. If you want to change any of these, you can always reach out to our support staff and we'll make the changes for you. We recommend doing this as opposed to doing it yourself to reduce any errors in the system. But if you'd rather do it yourself, we just want you to be cautious of the length of the titles. These are SEO optimized, so you might see the current city, county, and the title, like right here. You may see multiple pages with different names with the purpose of marketing out the best rotation for your demographics. So this is just as it is, the website name. And moving on, we have the shortened URLs. Your full website is technically this right here. It's not pretty, but it has a specific ID number just for your account. Typically what you want to do with these is use, typically for, the short URLs, you want to use them for printing purposes, not website purposes, such as business cards, pamphlets, and the like. We don't use, social media pages don't really, they don't acknowledge the shortened URLs like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It doesn't, for whatever reason, they just don't accept them. Your site will always have the predetermined home list to buy or a verbiage before it. We recommend that if you use a shortened URL, you'll want it to be something distinct and different. So all you would do here is just test, you could put in your name by homes, and then click save, and I'll show you what it looks like. Shortened URL is shortened URL homelisttobuy.com, your name by homes. And we're just going to delete this because this person's not using the shortened URLs